Yo, what's up guys, AK Media back in action. So I know it's been such a long time, but welcome back to my channel and let's get straight to the video.
Darling,
Today I'm actually doing an unboxing video. I have ordered this soup parcel. It's actually what I've ordered is a carbon fiber monopod. It's a 3-in-1 tripod cum monopod, as well as a battery grip for my Nikon D3200, which I've been shooting for the past 2 years, and it's really great. But the only sad part for me is whenever I do event photography or wildlife photography, that time the battery is not much enough. So currently I'm going to extend the battery life of it through a battery grip, and you'll see how I'm going to do that. This is just the box. I don't have any proper unboxing like cutter, so I'm just using a normal scissors. This is my first unboxing. I have received this package. Right, nice. For unboxing, let me just tell you the brief prices. The tripod I got for 360 dirhams and the battery grip I got for 111 dirhams. So, I'll keep this here on this side. So first, let's open the battery grip. Okay, so this is the battery grip. It's from a brand called DMK Power, and it's just put battery grip extension. Let's just open this up. Okay, nothing. Okay, so this is a remote which comes, and this is just a connecting wire. With the help of this in the side of your camera over here, there'll be a port, so it's for that. Now, overall this is just a battery grip, and it feels really good. Like, it feels as the original part of the camera. So let's just try and assemble this. I'm going to tell you, I have already watched videos, that's why I'm buying this product. Just open your camera door like this, and at an angle of 33 degrees, just slide the camera door out and it will move like this. That's it you need to do. It will not break. If you're doing it the first time, I know you will be scared. That even I was. And just remove your existing camera battery, and there's a slot given over here for putting your camera door, so you can just slide it in like that, and that's it. Now you just need to screw it over here. There'll be a screw over here. Make sure you screw it tight. Okay, I screwed it really tight, and after that, yeah, it just makes your camera look more professional. So now you can just make it look like this as well as this. So whenever you're shooting portraits or whenever you're shooting any video also, you can just do directly like this, or also instead of putting your hand on top, you can just directly shoot it like this. So that's really great. Now coming to the part where we need to put the batteries. You can store up to 2 batteries. And don't worry guys, there's a tripod mount 1/4" thread down, so that also you can put. These are the 2 areas where you need to put the batteries. So I've got 1 battery now. You just need to slide that in like this, and then just take it, twist it first, put it, and that's it. Now if you see, without batteries cameras don't work, and now if you see, it'll actually start up. Now if you add this wire, this is a connecting wire. Without this, only the battery will be there, but you can't use this portrait mode. So you got to first add this aux cable over here, and then you got to put this wire over here and it'll go inside. So that's it. And then there's a switch off and switch on button here. So hope it works. It actually works. The portrait grip is really strong and like bulky. Even if you're putting in any Joby Gorilla Pod, if you want to vlog, or if you're putting in a normal tripod, then it'll actually hold and it actually makes the camera look more professional. Moving on to the next product, the tripod. It's the tourism tripod and this is how it looks. So my previous tripod, the Wellborn CX300, had actually locks, but that was kind of difficult and that was also getting really old. So I switched to this one, this type of screw tripod. So let's just open this, and best part about this, it has also a ball head. Okay, so let's just straight up open this box. I'll leave the link for both the battery grip as well as this in the description below. It's the Souk link, so you can buy it. Okay. Wow. The case is really sleek. That's it, how much it is. And it also comes with a strap, so you can mount it. And okay, there is enough to mount it. So this is really good. There's a strap, because generally if you're buying tripods, they don't come, the bag especially does not come with a strap. So yeah, now let's just open it. There's a zip from the top which opens it to the main tripod. Well, the bag is really sleek, so it'll also fit into any normal suitcase if you're traveling. So you just keep it there. Well, wow. What all is included in this is one pouch, the tripod itself. So best part about this tripod is that it's foldable and you can just carry it like that. If you see, it's not much of the length also. What you can actually do with this tripod is, after folding it here, there's a clip. If you clip that, it will move only that much. That's it. And move. That's it. There's a separate protection for the ball head, because ball heads are really sensitive. One screw in the ball head goes loose, the entire ball head. So the ball head, whoa, this is just really good. Comes also a strap over here, so if you want like extra support. As I told you, this is a 3-in-1 tripod come monopod also. For the monopod, this might be. Anyways, let's just check on this tripods. What all is actually there in the tripod is, you can unscrew this and make it down like that. Okay, so this is the entire tripod. That's really small, like really small. And even if I'm opening it like that, over here if you see, there's a hook, so you can put your bag whenever you're shooting. Now you might think, why did I buy such a tripod which is really small? But don't judge me on this. When I expand it completely, it will reach up till a 6'3" man's eye level perfectly. I've already put the tripod in my bag, and the battery grip is also really nice. Overall, I'll be doing a real world review of both of these to know what is the actual battery life instead of one battery with two batteries. Hope you liked the video. As always, please do like, share and hit that subscribe button, and also press the notification bell icon for whenever I post a video, so you'll be notified. See you.